When we get into wide area networking, we start to look at a couple of different types of topologies. One type of topology, which is very common, is what is known as the full mesh topology. The full mesh topology is normally used when we have found a compelling reason to interconnect multiple offices or multiple locations for direct connectivity to every other location. In other words, let's say this is the central office here. I have found a compelling reason only for my central office to be connected to every one of these branches. But I also want each of these branches to talk directly to every other branch without having to go back through the central office. If these branches require the ability to talk through the central point, then I would have a star topology. But because I have decided to actually create connections in between every office individually, I have a full mesh topology. Now, in case of something like frame relay, this is a very popular way of doing things if there's a compelling reason for these offices to talk directly to each other. It's highly fault tolerant, but we do have to deal with a lot of circuits and have to purchase these for something like frame relay to operate in this fashion. So it can be highly expensive to implement, and that's one of its biggest drawbacks. Now, as we can see, I have no single point of failure, which is excellent. The topology is very fault tolerant, but due to the expense, sometimes it's not feasible and may be somewhat cost prohibitive for a lot of organizations to be able to fully implement in a wide area network topology.